Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Jasmy update today, and I like the progress of Jasmy. Very soon, 2 days, 2 more days, we're going to close the candle of the monthly candle, and then we are about to close like this. I've already showed you that we do have a monthly bull cross. So higher time frames look as if they are really solid at the moment. And as soon as you break, it's time for Jasmy to really go back up to maybe the all-time high one more time. It has been amazing. Jasmy has done superb. I think it has performed so good, not just good, excellent actually. Look at this, right? This is exactly what you want to see. Go down for the bear market, start to reverse to the upside, make a nice good reversal rounded bottom here, just to break above in the future and for you to continue to go to the upside. That's all I look for Jasmy. Now the next thing is that if you check the EMAs, the daily bull cross is maintained perfectly. So bull cross, push above, retest, push above, retest, push above, perhaps another retest, push above. So that's how things may seem to be. Okay, that's how things may seem to be. Now, the main thing that I still have to see is the daily. So the daily, again, you have left shoulder, head, the right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders, and you also have the technical target come up to 4919. Now, so far, what I noticed on the 4-hour time frame is that this is for the first time Jasmy has done a closing and a perfect retest above the neckline. So if you notice, if we go back to this neckline back in June 19 last month, you closed above the trend line itself, but when you went to retest the trend line, you closed under the trend line. Okay, the next thing that happened is, again, you try to break, you made a little bit of a closing, but you failed and you went inside the trend line. Pushing forward, this was a touch and a failure and a move to the downside. This is another touch and a rejection and a move to the downside. Now, fast forward to the current situation, I guess here, then you may notice even before that, I think you have another rejection as well. And then finally, this here has closed and has closed right on that support. Okay, this is for the first time ever since last month. So that actually is a very good sign. It's really good sign that may show a push is coming for Jasmy. Now we may also consider that a flag is about to be made. So if a pennant does get made here, then you're also looking for a short-term target, which can actually be from there to there, and we can actually see a price of 0.037. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one, office.